Anywhere where you have a poor base for a road, this material here, I think you could go right through anything with this as a base under a road. It's to get in there to get the job done. This would be work amazing. I've hauled the landfills where it was a clay base and it was, oh, you were sinking in 6, 8, 10 inches and you were just tight to the floor just to make it through there. This stuff here, it just keeps rolling real easy. You can feel it's loamy underneath the truck, but it's not like there's more power needed to drive through it. It just keeps rolling. If that was like on a soft clay where you'd be on the throttle hard just to move through it, where the trucks have to go back into places to get stuff where they don't have to go back in there again. It's just to get in there to get the job done. This would be work amazing. I think you could go right through swamps or anything. When you look at the time of getting one vehicle stuck and the time and expense that's invested in getting one vehicle stuck and trying to get it out, and the hassle and cost and damages and everything else, the cost offset this would be nothing. We didn't have to do anything to it. We just put it right down in the grass and drove over it with a 60,000 pound truck, and it's like it didn't sink in hardly at all. The tires just grip it the way the squares, the way they are, it just grips it and it just pulls right through it real nice. You never spin a wheel on this. It's pretty amazing, and I'm impressed. The truck just keeps rolling.